Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of your project. In the previous session, we used the image tool to display the image in our attendance register. In this session, we are going to display the total number of present students from our attendance register. For example, your teacher marked 5 students present, so I want to display 5 number as a total present in our attendance register. So let's start with the session. So go back to your main project, and in the main project, first of all, we will design a 4 labels here. So let's take a label, okay, and we want to display what I want to display is I want to display total present. So first of all, let me adjust this label settings. So let's say I said LBL present. Okay, LBL present, I given the name to this. Okay, so it's better don't give the name and simply write present here. Okay, I given the name present to this label. Then I said I given the total caption. I in the caption I write total present, total student present. I want to display like this. Okay, total student present. I want the value of the font will be it should be 10. It should be bold and should be displayed in Times New Roman format. Okay, and alignment should be center. Okay, light center, and I want to increase the size also. So let me increase the size as well. For go to font size, and let's increase the size from, let's say, 14. Total present I want to display here like this, total students present. So like this we have done this, total student present, and we want to count total absent. Okay, this is total present. Then after we want to count total absent, then we want total students sick and total late, and then we want to display how many students are enrolled in the class. So one by one change it. So we have mentioned total student absent, so I will write absent here. Okay, absent, total absent. Then total student on sick leave, total student sick. So sick, so total student who are latecomers, so I want to calculate the latecomers also. So write late, and here I want to display total student in class, total student register in class, in attendance, total student in attendance, in attendance register. Okay, so like this I want to display the things. So let me again highlight it properly. I will select all the labels and I will change the border style single. Okay, so like this we have done it. Okay, so let me adjust their width properly so it look nice. So let adjust it properly. Okay, like this is fine. Now this is also little, so like this I adjusted both the side. Now here I want to display the number, so I want that nobody can change that value. So again we will take one label here so that we can place total value. So let's copy this label here, and I want to do this, what I want to make it little small. So let's make it small and place it here. Then I will go to this one label I will create for this one student. I will create label for this, and one is for total student present registered in the class. I don't want to display that one. Okay, so let's first of all we have to delete the caption property and we have to assign the name, because this all 4 labels which we have designed, these 5 labels are going to be used in our programming. So let's select the first one and give the name LBL present. Okay, then I want to LBL absent. Okay, then I will give the name to next one, it is sick, LBL 6, LBL sick. Okay, label sick. Then we have give LBL, we are creating for late, and then finally it is LBL display total. Okay, or you can write the give the name LBL total. Okay, this is done. Now delete the caption properties of this and make it white, all the labels. So let's change the back color. I will select from palette white. I need a white label here. So I simply go one by one and I will delete their caption value. So let's delete the first caption value. Okay, then let's delete the second caption value. Then let's delete the third caption value. Let's delete the for late caption value, and the last label we will delete the caption value for the total also. So now we have label available with us. Okay, LBL total, LBL late, LBL 6, absent and present. Now what I want to display, I want to display the total number of present in the class. So simply what you will do is, so now we will come to the coding part. I want to display the total present student in the class. So first of all, what I want is when I click on clear button, then all register values will be clear. So in the same way, we want the total present value will also clear. So simply click on clear button, double click and come in the end, and here you will write, we have given the name LBL present label value dot, what it will happen, the caption value, whatever value will be there by default, it should be what, it should be clear. Okay, then what we will do is we want to calculate the total number of present students. So naturally when you will save the attendance, then only you can easily calculate that how many students are present in the class. So what we will do is we will write the code in the save button. So double click on the save button and go to the last, and here we will write the code for our counting. So here we will write here code for count the total present students. Okay, I am writing this comments here. So here I will declare one variable here first. So I will write dim. I will declare one variable with the name of count as a, what kind of value I want to store, integer. Okay, so what I want is by default count value will be what, it should be 0. Okay, and now I will put one condition, because only present will only count when you will mark the student present. So naturally we have to use the if condition here. So you will write here if if the label registration 2, because our first registration name is label registration 2 dot caption. Okay, if caption value is mark as a what, if caption value, if it is marked as a present, P stand for present. Okay, make sure you will write this thing accurately, otherwise your if condition will not work. So whatever you have defined here, the same keyword you have to use here only. So if it is equal to present, then what will happen, it will be marked as a present and counter will be increased with the value of 1. Okay, and label, where it will be displayed, it will be displayed in label present dot, where in caption property, caption is equal to count, which value will be displayed, whatever the counter value, it will be displayed in the label present. And we will finish our if conditions, right, and if, simply finish it. Okay, we will do like this. And now let's play the program. When you play the program, so let's check it is working or not. So simply select P and mark present. Now we have only enter the code for the first value for Pradeep Sharma. So when you click on save button, so you will see it is counted present. So click on clear, so you will see counting will be gone. So again you will see if I mark absent, mark, now click on save button, nothing will be coming here. So it means our total calculation is working. So let's do the code for all the other student also. So let's finish it. Go to Visual Basics and click on save button, and simply you have to write the same code for all the label. So Control C and do it for Control V. Okay, then I change the name registration label 3. Okay, then it will be registration label 4. Okay, then next is 5. Again we have to do this. Then again you have to go for 6 number label, which is actually label 5. Now again we will write for label 7. Okay, now we will write for label 8, same thing. Now we will write for label 9. You will write for label 10. and finally we will write for 11 last label, which is 10 label, and it is represented with the label registration number 11. So we have done. So now when you will mark the present in your attendance register, it will be display in your total. So let's play the program. So let's select present, mark, and now you see all students are present. So click on save button. So you will see it's counted 10. For example, I will mark present, mark, and I will mark the student absent. So how many students are present? 8 students. So click on save button. So total will be displayed here. So in this way we have learned that how we can mark and how we can count total present student in our projects. I hope you like this session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.